In today's video, we will be discussing Terbinafine tablets 250 mg, an antifungal medication used to treat certain fungal infections. We'll cover its overview, uses, dosage, and potential side effects. So, let's get started. Terbinafine tablets 250 mg are commonly prescribed to combat fungal infections of the skin, nails, and scalp. Let's delve into the details of this medication. Overview: Terbinafine is classified as an antifungal drug. It works by inhibiting the growth and reproduction of fungi, thus eliminating the infection. Terbinafine tablets are available in a strength of 250 mg and are typically taken orally. Uses: Terbinafine is primarily used to treat fungal infections like athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and fungal infections of the nails. It is effective against a variety of fungal species, providing relief from associated symptoms and promoting healing. Dosage: the recommended dosage of Terbinafine tablets is usually 250 mg once daily for the prescribed duration. The treatment duration may vary depending on the type and severity of the infection. It is important to follow the prescribed dosage and complete the full course of treatment, even if the symptoms improve. Side effects: like any medication, Terbinafine tablets may cause side effects. Common side effects include gastrointestinal issues like nausea, stomach pain, diarrhea, and changes in taste sensation. In rare cases, severe side effects such as liver problems or allergic reactions may occur. If you experience any unusual or persistent side effects, it is crucial to seek medical attention promptly. That concludes our discussion on Terbinafine tablets 250 mg, their uses, dosage, and potential side effects. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthcare insights. Take care, and stay healthy.